The one thing that can completely change your life and change the way you manifest and achieve all your goals is self-concept. What you think about yourself matters more than anything else in this world. If you think of yourself as a positive person, you are a positive person. If you think of yourself as someone who is not lucky, you won't be lucky. So, whatever you think of yourself is called self-concept. And in this video, we are going to know how you can achieve everything you want just by changing your self-concept. So, let's not waste any more time and let's get started. Now, what is self-concept? Self-concept is what you think about yourself. So, if you think of yourself as a lovable, funny, passionate person, you will see whenever you are walking into a room, you will be always smiling bright and you are talking to everyone because you think of yourself as that. If you think of yourself as a shy introvert person, you don't talk to people even when you have the opportunity, right? I used to do that all the time. Because I think of myself as a shy introvert person, I did not introduce myself to anyone because I'm a shy person, right? That is my identity. That is what I think of myself. Maybe by that I have lost many opportunities. I don't know. But if I think of myself as an extrovert person, as someone who is very easygoing and can go and talk to anyone, I would be like that, right? That's why whatever you think of yourself just manifests at that second. So, if you think of yourself as a healthy and productive person, then for sure you are doing those healthy things. You are going to gym, you are exercising, you are walking, you are eating good food. And if you think of yourself as someone who cannot stick to a diet, you are not sticking to a diet because that is your identity. You have told your brain that I cannot stick to a diet. So even when you actually want to, then also in your brain knows that no, she is not the person who sticks to diet. She told me 1,000 times that she is not someone who can stick to diet. So she won't be sticking to that. This is how this works. Our brain loves to prove us right. Whatever you say, your brain will prove you right. So if you are saying that I am poor, I am unhealthy, your brain has one task to prove you right. So this will show you how suddenly you will have to spend some money or suddenly you will become ill, all those things. But if you think of yourself as someone who has lots of money, someone who travels a lot, someone who is very healthy, you will see that your brain will provide you with opportunities to travel, provide you with opportunities to earn more money or to eat good food. Maybe you have planned to eat fast food, but the shop was closed or something like that will happen, or maybe suddenly you will not have cravings. So this is how all this thing works. So if you have a solid self-concept, if you actually know who you are, what you want from your life, it will be very easy for your brain to navigate you through the roads. And whenever you are watching this video, you can pause now and you can actually write down what you want to be your values, your habits in the next 5 years. What will be your daily routine look like? What will you be doing? I discussed this in my last video as well, but this is very, very important because see, if you don't know the goal, you will never reach it. We always want that health, that money, that person, that fame because we want to feel something, because we want a certain lifestyle. For that, you have to know what you actually want. Because see, if you didn't know what you want right now, so now I'm an engineer, I'm working in an IT company. So I knew that when I was in college, I already knew how my life would be like. I used to think that I will live with my friends, I will go out on weekends, I will work in an IT job. This was my goal 5 years ago and I am there right now because that's what I used to think, right? But I never thought that I would be a millionaire. That's why I'm not a millionaire. Maybe someone who thought in their teenage years that they want to be a millionaire, maybe they are much more closer than me, right? So that's how all these things work. So if you know what do you want in your next 5 years, write those down, write your daily routine. Does this match with you? And how many parts you can do it right now to change yourself? And if you right now decide that I am a healthy person, I am a successful person, I have all the time in my life, I can do whatever I want. The moment you decide it and keep on reminding yourself whenever you get derailed. Maybe you are thinking that you are a lazy person. Don't think that. Just take a deep breath and tell to yourself that no, I am not. Why are you lying? I am a very productive person. Even when maybe you are taking rest, or maybe you are taking 1 or 2 days when you are not doing anything. See, just because you are not doing anything does not mean you are a lazy person. Even productive people take rest, right? Even Olympians take rest. So that's why your identity matters. So if your identity is someone who is very productive, no matter if you are taking 2 days off, still tell to yourself that I am a productive person, I am just taking 2 days off. And believe me, you can change in a second. And the moment you change and you keep on believing on your new identity, there is literally no way you can go back. So see, I want to live a healthy, rich, wealthy lifestyle, right? Everyone wants that. So when I looked at my life in the end of 2023, I saw that I was not doing everything that I could. I could take like 10 to 15 minutes a week to make a video and then half an hour to edit it, right? I can manage that 1 hour time in a week. So I made this YouTube channel. Then I understood that if I don't take care of my health, maybe in my 40s, I won't be able to travel, right? Because my bones won't have that strength, my muscle won't have that strength. And that happened because I have a dream what I will be doing in next 5 years. And my that time's lifestyle was not matching with how I wanted to be. So when I changed that self-concept, all these things came into places. Even a new gym opened up literally 800 meters away from my home. So I can walk every single day there. So all those things will fall into places. But you have to decide that what you actually want. And then your brain will keep on giving you ideas, will tell you what to do. All you have to do is decide what you want. And then when you write down the daily routines, when your brain knows that this is the person that I want to be, and you tell yourself that you are that person, you will see how easily, how effortlessly all your dreams will come true. People will come to you with opportunities, and you will be in a place where you can achieve and manifest all your dreams and goals. So thank you so much for listening to me. It was a bit of emotional kind of video because this is very close to me. So I thought that I would share this with you guys. I hope you like this video. And thank you so much for always supporting me, always watching my videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much. Bye-bye.